Hello, welcome to Enots Engineering. My name's Alan. Today we're back in the workshop, and in this video I'll show you a couple of tools I've recently bought. Nothing to do with the lathe. One is a wire stripper and the other is called a nibbler. Now let's have a look at these in a bit more detail. The Craftright automatic wire stripper and crimping. These are the wire strippers I bought, £5, which I thought was reasonable. Here you've got the crimping. You can cut through thick wire there, but the main thing is this end. When you operate the plier grips, two arms grip the wire and then pull apart. And here you can have a stop which you can adjust for different lengths. Now let's see how it works. Take a piece of wire that you want to strip, place the wire into the stop, operate the grips, and there you can see it's stripped the wire to the length that you set. And the second thing is, it's called the Craftright sheet metal nibbler cutter. So this is what it's made of. Looks like aluminium housing, plastic handle, and this part here you fit to a drill. It has got a hexagon on the end so your chuck won't slip, and on this end you've got the cutting part. The electric drill turns, it will pull this bar in and out. And the idea is you put your sheet metal through there, operate it, and it cuts the sheet metal. Now it says it can go to 1.8mm thickness, so I'll get my drill and we'll try that. And what happens, the end bit there just pushes in and out. There's a gap in there to put your metal. This is aluminium, it's 1.6mm thick. Let's see if it works. It cuts quite easily. I don't know whether the reverse or forward should make any difference. It's just pulling that in and out. Let's try another bit. I'm quite impressed with that. And it comes with a spare bar that goes through the middle actual cutter. So yeah, it's quite good. And the finish is quite good as well. It hasn't left any sharp edge. I'll cut this bit on this side off. You see there how it operates. And first of all, I'll just put a bit of oil. Use it that way. That's a nibbler. Actually it's better than sheet metal cutters because you'd never be able to do a curve or line like that with the sheet metal cutters. They always tend to bend the material you're trying to cut. Yeah, it's quite good. This is only aluminium. I'll have to see how it operates on steel, but I'm quite impressed with that. It wasn't off the internet, it was from Homebase. Now with the nibbler you get this spare blade, and it looks as if you can use it either way, so that means you've got 4 cutting blades, and I think if you just ground the edge sharp there, you could use these maybe 2 or 3 times before they were scrapped. And you also get the Allen key and spanner. That's the Craftright sheet metal cutter. Actually, looking at that, you've got another on the other end. You've got exactly the same again. So you've got a double end, and you can put the handle on either side. So you don't even have to take the blade out and turn it around. You just change the position of the handle from one end to the other. The electric drill turns it, it just comes in and out, and you guide your sheet metal through the gap, and this actually, as it says, nibbles out a small piece of sheet metal. Shall I take it to bits? Yeah, why not? A spring clip. So inside you've just got an offset. It's already packed with grease in there. And I think that's probably what the spanner's for, this, and the Allen keys for this. So the centre screw actually locates in this dimple on the bar, but that is only silver. It looks like a piece of silver. In fact, if you used a piece of silver steel, I don't know whether this is hardened, you can harden it on the end. It's not anything special on each end, it's just a undercut. And this is the cutting edge there. A simple little plastic cover and a circlip. Well, that's two tools we've looked at: the wire cutter and stripper and the sheet metal nibbler. I hope you found that interesting, and hope to see you next time on Enots Engineering.